Good morning, students. Today let us start our class with the lesson A Night Rain in Summer, the poem from the literature book. First, let us know about the poet. This poem is written by James Leigh Hunt. He was an English poet. He produced a variety of poetry in the 19th century. He is known today for his delightful poetry on friendship, patriotism, and appreciation of nature. Let us go through the poem. Open the window and let the air freshly blow upon face and hair, and fill the room as it fills the night with the breath of the rain's sweet might. Not a blink shall burn tonight in my chamber of sordid light. Not will I have, not a window pane, twist me and the air and the great good rain. Whichever shall sing me sharp lullabies, and God's own darkness shall close mine eyes. And I will sleep with all things blessed in the pure earth shadow of natural rest. In this poem, the poet explains a night rain that comes after a long summer. How will you feel when it rains? We all like rain. Why? It makes us feel so refreshing. It cleans the air, trees, and everything. Everyone likes the smell of sand after the rain. We all like to sit near the window and look outside and enjoy nature's beauty. Now you imagine, okay? Like this, our poet also likes to watch the rain. In the first stanza, he tells that the outside air is refreshing. That means it is raining. He wants to fill the room as it fills the outside world. Okay? The rain provides peace and gentle sleep to the poet. It has a calming effect on him. In the second stanza, poet says that he will not have any light in his room. The darkness is natural and peaceful. The window will be open so that he can fully embrace this cleansing fresh air and rain. Here, embrace means hold closely in one's arms. Blink means lamp. Sordid means unpleasant. And twist means between. Cleansing means cleaning. In the last stanza, he says that the raining sound is the lullabies for him. That means the rain will sing him sharp lullabies. And God's own darkness means night will close his eyes. Means the presence of rain will bring him a peaceful sleep. That might also suggest the natural rest of the death in the last line. Once again you read the poem and watch and listen the video. Hope you all have understood the poem. Let us stop today's class here. Thank you.